Hello guys, welcome to the part 1.2. In the previous part, we just looked at the introduction, but in this part, we're going to look at how to select a service to provide. There are lots and lots of services out there. In show how you can choose a service to provide as your drop servicing business. Platform you're based on Fiverr. To mention me share my screen might show how you can search for services to provide on Fiverr. Into I'm said I'm to see about fiverr.com. Into websites and I have a fair Fiverr are really good. They've got a lot of service providers but my main will be about websites and as well. We'll call down now on much popular professional services. Fiverr are really smart. Or make groupie the sorts of services a month will be requested for on the platform. Into share now or more logo design or more WordPress, which is website design, or more voiceovers, or more video explain, or more social media. You connect some more SEO, which is search engine optimization, or more illustrations, or more translation, or more data entry, or more book covers. Isn't this amazing? To Fiverr said all these are popular services that a lot of customers are asking for and are providing and are paying people on Fiverr to provide these services. So over top section they've grouped all the categories here and on subgrouping all the services. I really like this about Fiverr, man. They've done all the hard work. Instead, they understand we'll just do a deep dive and select services that we are interested in, if that makes sense. Into about graphic and design now. About logo and branding now. Again, they've got sub services here. I don't know what happy but I'm not going to go through all that. About digital marketing again. They've got all the services here. And now who are happy about writing and translation. They've got all the services here. About video and animation. So I know what about music and audio. So now say with this course, we'll be basing our case study on podcast audio editing. And then audio editing. About programming and tech. So I don't know what about business, lifestyle. And the last most important thing, called trending. Like currently, these are the services that are trending on Fiverr. Okay, drop shipping, e-commerce marketing, game development, Discord services, NFT services. More we are into crypto. So architecture and interior design, data and resume writing, search engine optimization, character modeling, and the rest. These are like as of now, as of August 2022, these are the trending services you can look into. Back to the popular professional services in our case, young fans say we'll click on the voice over. To me click here so now again it's going to populate all the services that people are providing. So and all these people are service providers. So what I want you to do is just select one category and I'll look for something that you are interested in. So and I want you to write down 10 to 15 of these services down. Okay, to deep dive, click on the service and look for the sort of the services that people are providing. Okay, look for the price range and the rest, but I want you to write down 15 of these services that you find on Fiverr that you are interested in. 10 to 15 of these services. So write them down and we'll do the validation in our next part. Into search, really easy. I like Fiverr because Fiverr, based on their previous search, how my groupie BB added that into all searching for a service to provide now on their categories. They've done everything nice and neat. Into I always use Fiverr to search for a certain service to provide. Into why searching for services, this is what I want you to do. Percent offer pen and paper. Now drop from 10 to 15 services you are highly interested in. 10 to 15 services that you are highly interested in. Into share my screen is now and can make sure say I'm interested in logo design, transcribing, illustration, NFT art, video editing, article writing, podcast writing, virtual assistants, business plan writing, podcast audio editing, website design, resume, and CV writing, social media ads, and etc. These services, and they are all randomly but you soon randomly. I mean, can't say you do well in these services, so please do not go and copy and paste. I want you to look at yourself and see what you are interested in. Say the share of Fiverr, and there are lots and lots of services. I'm pretty sure, say you are interested in one or two of these services. And see, go throw this down. Then in our next part, I'm going to show you how to select one. How to select one of these services. I like to always validate my service before I take action, and before I make a decision. I do not just choose any services. I always want to back up my idea and my my decision with data. So me back it up with data that I know say a lot of people are looking for these services. So me provide I'll get a lot of customer. In part 1.3, we're going to look at how to validate these services. Again, if you want to contact me, these are my contact details. See you in part 1.3. Bye.